Hello, my name is Juliana Mayfield, and in this video I want to show you how I created this makeup look. It's very much an everyday makeup look, which I really like. It's very clean, very simple to do. I'm a girl who's kind of like a team too much makeup. I love a lot of makeup, but in this look it's kind of pared down. I'm not even wearing any false lashes or anything like that. So
even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing.
So to start off this look, I'm going to take my blending brush and use my Time Wise 3D foundation, and I use the color Bronze 180. I'm choosing this foundation because, as you can see on my cheeks, on my natural skin, I have a little bit of scarring on that area, but the rest of my face, the center of my face, my forehead, my chin, my skin is very clear. So this is the perfect foundation to address both of those areas. So it's not going to look heavy on the areas that don't have any discoloration. However, I can build this foundation only in the areas where I need some help. Also, I love this brush, y'all. This brush is so easy because it doesn't require any know-how or technique to get a flawless finish. And you can just kind of go on there almost like you're brushing your teeth, but you're brushing your face.
Stepping on toes with these humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two.
So instead of applying another layer of foundation, I figured I can just kind of spot correct with the same color concealer that matches my skin tone.
You're all alone. Hold up, babe.
And then with my powder foundation brush and my face powder, I'm going to tap on that area where I applied the concealer. So not only is it going to add a little bit of extra coverage, but it's also going to blend out the concealer so that it looks very, very flawless. I don't know, I made this technique up as I was going and it kind of worked and I love it. So I thought I'd share.
With these humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
Now this next step is kind of a personal preference. I like my under eye area to be very, very bright, so I just apply lighter concealer and then blend it out with my makeup sponge that is damp already.
Everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago.
It doesn't matter how light of an application I'm doing. I love this step and I probably will never not have it in some sort. And then with what's left on the sponge, I apply it to my forehead, down the center of my nose, and on my chin. Now I'm going to hold my eyebrow pencil like it is a regular pencil or a writing utensil in my most dominant hand, which I'm left-handed, and I am going to follow the natural arch of my brow. I want it to have that gradient effect where it is lighter at the head of the brow and then it gradually becomes darker towards the tail. Another way that I achieve that is by using my eyebrow brush and kind of blending out just the head of my brow. Not the tail, but just the head. And if there's anywhere that it picked up product when I was blending it out, I will go over it with the pencil and then over it with the brush again until I have my desired shape. Next, I'm going to switch to eyeshadows. I'm going to pick up this all over eyeshadow brush and apply this hazelnut eyeshadow to the middle of my eyelid and then blend it out towards the inner and outer corner of my eyelid. Before I move on to the next color, I want to make sure that this color is completely blended out at its edges. In order to do that, I take my brush, the one that I just used to apply the eyeshadow, and remove the color from it. Then I go over the lines where the eyeshadow ends several times in order to diffuse that line so that it looks like it's kind of blended out into the rest of my eyelid. In my opinion, that's the best way to apply color and blend it without losing any pigmentation. Now I'm going to switch my brush, and I'm going to use a blending brush because this one is really good with applying and blending at the same time. The longer bristles in the center of the brush to apply the color, while the shorter bristles on the perimeter help to blend out that color as it's being applied. Now to add some further definition, I will pick up this eyeliner pen, which I really like to use because the color comes out very black and the eyeline is very smooth. But I will say that it takes practice to get very good using this pen. So if you don't get it the first couple times, that's okay, but let me give you some tips. What I like to do with my liquid eyeliner pen is hold the pen to the side and drag it along my top eyelashes. I don't try to use the point only in order to apply the product. I allow the side of the eyeliner pen to drag along and apply the color. That way, I'm not trying to draw a straight line on my eyelid, which can be very difficult, but I'm just allowing the weight of the pen to lay on my top eyelashes as I carefully drag the pen on its side along my eyeline in short little dashes. Then I'm going to switch and use my black waterproof eyeliner in my bottom waterline, and just to make the black a little bit darker and deeper, I'm also going to use it on my top waterline.
The way it's meant to be, all the emotion spinning in my head feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.
Because I have those blemishes and dark spots on my cheeks, I'm not going to use a blush color that is very bright on my skin. Instead, I'm going to use something that is warmer and closer to the look of a bronzer on my skin, just to give my skin tone some warmth, but not to draw attention to my cheeks.
Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes.
I applied Truffle Nude lip liner to my lip line and then blended out with my finger. Next, I'm going to apply this Supreme Hydrating Lipstick in the color Mauve Crush, which in my opinion was a little too light and bright for my skin tone. But then I applied this Copper Aurora lip gloss on top of it, which is kind of like this copper golden shimmer lip gloss, and it was perfect and perfectly beautiful. I love this lip combo, and it was so random and unplanned, but I just had to share it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes.